Good morning, welcome to the channel or welcome back. So today I thought we would do a bike check on my hardtail, which is the Voodoo Bizango 2022 model. So here she is, Bizango, or Bizango Betty as I like to call her. As you can see, it's a hardtail. The frame is black with a nice orange and yellow logo in. I myself love this colouring. The bike is running on 29-inch tyres, front and back, which are maxi Herdent. The gearing setup is a Sram 1x11, which also matches the brake setup. The forks themselves are Suntour radon with the lockout mechanism. The only thing this bike didn't come with, which I wish it did, was an actual dropper post. So I've had one installed, which was the Satori one from Halfords. The travel is 125mm, the diameter is 31.6, which is perfect. The one thing I do like about these dropper posts, and especially for this bike, I can adjust the height via the clip. So I could have it shorter, I could have it longer, but as it stands, it's perfect for me. And regarding the size of the bike, the sizes are large. I'm 5'9", and I think it fits me perfectly well. And on to the main point of topic is the handling of it. For the spec that this bike has, I would expect nothing less than how it's been. The handling is absolute superb. I've taken it on local trails, local trail centres and local bypass, hit a couple of downhill trails, and it's just handled fantastically. So if you're looking to get a hardtail that's a reasonable price, I would definitely recommend looking at the Voodoo Bizango, or even the Voodoo Bizango Pro if you have a little bit more cash to spend. So verdict out of 10, definitely a 9. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, don't forget to give us a like and hit that subscribe button.